help me. Oh my God. What up, y'all? Free Bison, the vegan rapper. I'm here with the Veganza Animal Heroes, and today we're gonna make something special. A curried chickpea spinach wrap. Let's do it.
He's Veganza, and every animal crying out for help. Should hear those.
Hey, what up? It's me, Free Bison, the vegan rapper, and Veganza Animal Hero. I'm happy to see y'all here, catching me in the kitchen. Today we're gonna throw down some spinach curry chickpea wrap. How does that sound? Let's get into it. So we're gonna need some spinach wraps. We're gonna need some tomatoes. We're definitely gonna need some chickpeas or garbanzo. Feel me? We're gonna need some mushrooms. We're gonna need some spinach, the real thing. We're gonna need some garlic, some onions, white onions to go better with the mushrooms. And for seasons, we're gonna need like some curry, definitely curry, a lot of curry. I like that. Some garlic powder, some salt, and some pepper. And you know, to make it not all dry and all that, moisten it up a little bit, we're gonna make sure we got the vegan ranch. Whatever kind of sauce I wanna put in there, I like putting hummus in here too, because it's like Mediterranean vibes with the chickpeas and stuff. So, bean, let's eat this, man. Come on, let's make it. All right, y'all, we're gonna start with a little bit of oil, you know. Put that on the pan and heat that up. I like to start with my mushrooms because I like my mushrooms to be kind of nice and burnt a little bit, kind of well done. I know we don't use the word burnt in the culinary world. Me, I always like to kind of like season stuff as I go along, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to wait till the last minute. I like to kind of do it through the process, so I feel like the food is like breathing in the seasoning and stuff. It gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta let that salt absorb through the pores of these mushrooms. It's real scientific. I won't go into it right now. But yeah, just a pinch, guys. Just a pinch, you know. And when you get your salt, you want to make sure you. Crucial. I find that, like, you know, the chickpeas are like, whenever I'm cooking beans, they don't really take that long to cook, you know what I mean? Unless it's like they're hard and you're like, you had to soak them or whatever. You don't really have to use chickpeas. You can use any kind of like lentil you want, but the chickpeas are, you know, the protein in this. So you want to make sure, also spinach too, but we want to make sure we're getting some kind of vitamin B12. You know what I'm saying? That's crucial, especially for us vegans, plant-based people. We gotta always get that, you know. All right, I'm gonna start seasoning some of our chickpeas now. And with the chickpeas, you know, you ain't gotta be stingy, man. Especially like I find when it comes to curry, I really like the flavor of curry, you know. So I'm heavy with the curry. You think you added enough, and you ain't added enough. And like I said, you guys do this your way, you know. I mean, I guess technically you could even eat the mushrooms raw, but I like them nice and like brown, you know. So right when they start getting like this is when I throw in some garlic. I'll throw in a little bit of that with the mushrooms, and I'll also throw in a little bit with the chickpeas. But I'm starting a little fire now, right? Aha, y'all ain't believe me. You guys ain't believe me. I turned y'all into believers. Alright guys, so we're taking everything off of our skillet right now. And we about to put everything into these wraps. Alright guys, so look, we're back. The hard work is done. Now time to put this wrap together, you feel me? So first, we gotta start with the wrap itself. Voila. So what I like to do is I like to start with a little bit of spinach, you know what I mean? Or as they would call it, again, in this culinary world, a bed of spinach, if you will. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Alright. And then the star of the show, baby. Come on. The curry chickpeas. What you mean? Straight from the line like Steph. Finish the rest. Come on now. And we gonna make this boy thick too, cause like we was talking about with the protein. We got our mushroom onion concoction, guys. I'm gonna make sure we throw that in there too. Y'all know this is looking good right now. Don't even lie. Ooh, if you guys could smell it through the camera. Imagine all the cooking shows where they've said that before. I just said the most recycled line in Food Network history, probably. But, alright, here we go. We getting there. We layered all of our ingredients, and now we get into, to me, I like to always put tomatoes or like whatever kind of vegetable you got, like, on the top, you know? I like that fresh. What do you think is about to happen? The ranch, baby. Or, like we said, whatever you got, you know, whatever you want to put on here to make it not so dry and have some sauce on here, you know. And then you eat it just like that, like a big taco. No, I'm playing. You gotta wrap it up, guys. Okay, this is the hard part, guys. This is the part you've all been waiting for, and I know everybody's been waiting for me to fail at this part. But guess what? We're gonna do it beautifully. Okay, boom. Money shot right here, guys. You ready? You get one shot. Oh yeah, bean, just like that. I know y'all been waiting for me to say it. I'ma say it. That's a wrap. Free Bison, the vegan rapper, signing out. If you want some more plant-based and vegan-friendly recipes like this, make sure you check out Veganza Animal Heroes Guide to Saving the Animals and the Earth. beananimalhero.org for more information. Light, life, love, baby. Peace out.
'Cause she's the animal hero, Veganza.